Hello friends. Last video we have seen how we can give access to the employee to see only his approval created loan in approval log. If I go to the main login and you can see here user management, user list. So to the Madhuri I have assigned Rajasthan branch. So we need to give her few access that be able to see only her created loans. So if I go to the access control list and select Madhuri's name, so here you can see this few access I have given to her. So mainly loan approval and allow to view all loans in approval process. So these two access I have given and rest of the access also I have given according to her role. Now let's go to the Madhuri's login. So here you can see she can see only Rajasthan branch. Now she will create here profile. Let's create one customer. So let's say Pradeep and just save. I can search this customer F-18 and I will click to the loan. Now let's enter amount. Let's say 12,000. Rate of interest and let's say first interest then principal for 6 months. Now calculate this loan and just save. So you can see this loan is created and sent to the approval process. Now if I click here profile and loan approval, so here you can see Madhuri can see only two loans which is actually created by her. She can't see other branches loan because she doesn't have that access to see other loans. She can see only her created loans. So this time we can give access. So I will sign out from here and let's go to the main login and I will check agent. Let's check agent login. Here you can see I have given Maharashtra branch to this agent. Now let's go to the profile loan approval and I will click here. Now you can see this agent is able to see only Maharashtra branch loans and that is from Pune, Mumbai, Mumbai. That is only from Maharashtra branch. Like this, we can assign few access to the employee and we need to add some settings. So settings also I can show you from the master setup. I will go to the setting and I one branch hierarchy filter, yes, this setting, and we need to keep loan approval process on. So loan creation follow approval process, yes. Thing we need to add and we need to assign properly access and branches to our employees. If you understood this, thank you friends for watching this video. Don't forget channel from YouTube. Have a great